As a business owner or as an entrepreneur, I'm sure you'll be imagining selling out your product on WhatsApp platform or Facebook platform. How cool is that? Selling out your products, your services on WhatsApp platform and on Facebook platform. If you have a business and you're not making money by selling your product online, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, then you are wasting a lot of time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell like crazy by just using your smartphone and selling on WhatsApp and on Facebook just with your smartphone. In those days, people will rent a shop and they will sample their products and waiting for their customer to come and buy their products. But not in this age and time. Now, people don't necessarily have to have a shop to start making money by selling their products. If you have a smartphone and you are not making money from it, then there's a problem there, because the problem is going to be you. And the only person to stop your progress is you. You are not leveraging the technology available to make money online. So a lot of people don't know that they can advertise their products on Facebook from their WhatsApp, right? But let me tell you, now we have two types of WhatsApp. We have normal WhatsApp account and we have WhatsApp business. If you're a business owner, I am sure you know that you're supposed to be using WhatsApp business. So if you don't have WhatsApp business, all you just need to do is to download WhatsApp business on your phone. Then transfer every of your contacts on the other WhatsApp to this WhatsApp business. Now that you have done that, let me take you to WhatsApp now and show you how you can make a lot of money advertising your product from your WhatsApp to Facebook, and you will get a lot of conversion. Now let's go. Let me show you how. It says reach new customers on Facebook and Instagram with ads that lead to WhatsApp. So you run ads from your WhatsApp, you reach your customers on Facebook. When they click your ads, it will bring them to your WhatsApp, and you are going to sell your product and services just with your smartphone. When you click on get started, it's going to tell you to choose. It's going to show you to choose a product, like a product, a photo you are going to use to run the ad. Now, it said add a description to this ad. Ad with descriptions can lead to more customer conversion. Now it's showing you the sample of how the ad is going to look like on Facebook. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a description to this ad right here. Okay, so I'm going to say get 10,000 followers on Instagram in just 5 minutes. All right, now you can see I'm going to save it right now. Now you can see that it's now on this image right here. It say get 10,000 followers on Instagram in just 5 minutes. What you're going to do right now is to click next. Now it say your estimated reach is 835 to 2,413 people. All right, just for this ad. What I'm going to do right now is to set my budget. So let's see, what is your daily budget? I'm going to choose this and I'm going to run this ad just for one day. Okay, for the purpose of this training, I'm going to run this ad just for one day. Okay, I'm going to choose it and go back. Then he said, what is your audience? So I'm going to choose my audience right now. What is your audience? So my audience is, say, okay, I'm going to click it right now. You say, where is your audience? I'm going to choose Nigeria. Okay, let me just choose Nigeria. I'm choosing Nigeria as my audience. Then what is the age range of your audience? What is their age range? So I'm going to just choose between 18 to 65. Okay, because I want people who are looking for followers 18 and 65. Now, who are this your customer? Is it male or female? If it's male, you choose male. If it's all, you just choose all. Right now I'm going to leave it at all. Then I go back. All right, then I'm going to click next. It says review and create your ad. Now it has shown me a 3-step way to review my ad and create my ad. Now this is a new account, so I'm going to add payment. I'm going to pay for this ad right now. So I'm going to add my account details and card details. All right, I'm going to add my card details in this ad so that they can take money from my card to run the ad. So I'm going to impute my card details right now. So all I need to do is just to click on it. It's showing me my payment option, and I'm going to choose the particular one that I want to use. All right. So right now I'm going to use my card, and I'm going to click next. I'm going to impute my details, my card details and PIN. Now I'm going to save it, and it will take me to another step where it will ask me to do other things. So after imputing your card details, all you just need to do is to publish your ad and wait to see the magic. As a business owner, you need to make money advertising your business online. Because if you don't advertise your business online, you are not going to make a lot of money. You are just going to be wasting money on shop rent and paying taxes. You know that if you run advert on Facebook from your WhatsApp, once people click on that ad on Facebook, it's going to bring them to your WhatsApp, and business is going to click. So why are you wasting time sitting down and waiting for customers to come to patronize you? All you just need to do is to use this system I just showed you now to run an ad with your WhatsApp business, and whoever click your advert is going to bring them from Facebook to your WhatsApp. Once you finish running the ad, just wait, sit down and relax and watch the magic happen. All right? As simple as that. You can do this from the comfort of your home. You don't need to have a shop. All you just need is the product or the service. Once you have the product and service, you can run it. The rest you need to do is to package your system and make it work for you. Have you liked this video? Please follow me for more updates. Just click on that notification button so that anytime I post a video, you are going to see the magic and you'll be the first to receive the notification. My name is Kenneth, and I'm here to show you how you can make money online from the comfort of your home. You don't need to have a shop.